All right. Ever wondered how a massive city bus is actually made? Let me break it down for you, step by step, inside a real bus factory. First up, it all starts with the frame. Picture a giant heavy-duty skeleton made from steel. Workers weld and bolt these big pieces together, forming the backbone that's strong enough to hold everything and everyone that'll ride on board. Next, it's time for the engine and transmission. These are like the heart and veins of the bus, and they get carefully lowered into place using cranes. Technicians hook up all the systems, fuel exhaust wiring, making sure everything's connected just right. Now the body panels go on. Huge sheets of metal are shaped, cut, and attached to the frame, transforming that skeleton into something that actually looks like a bus. Doors, windows, roof are installed piece by piece. Then comes the interior. Workers add insulation, wiring for lights and displays, and lay down the flooring. Seats are bolted in, handrails go up, stop buttons. Air vents are added to make the ride comfortable. After that, it's paint time. The whole bus gets cleaned, primed, and sprayed with bold colors and logos. It's not just for looks, it helps protect the metal from rust and wear. Finally, it's inspection and testing. Every bus goes through a checklist: brakes, lights, doors, engine, water test to make sure there are no leaks. Only after passing every test does the bus roll out, ready for the city streets. So next time you hop on a bus, remember, there's a ton of engineering, teamwork, and precision behind every ride. Thanks for watching, and if you want more behind-the-scenes builds, you know what to do.